Okay, so this is what exactly last time we were having over here. Very simple. Okay, so afraid of, good at, etc. For example, he's afraid of me. I'm not good at maths. I'm fed up with my job. So this is what last time we have just finished with the things. I'm just going to explain you once again. Please have a look here. That we are going to use here adjective plus prepositions. Adjective plus prepositions. Adjective plus preposition means what? We're going to have one adjective, one quality. With preposition, we're going to talk about. For example, afraid is what? Adjective, and off is what? Preposition. Scared is an adjective, off is what? Preposition. So we're going to have here one preposition and one adjective. The combination of this phrasal verb we are going to have over here, and we're going to make some sentences. For example, afraid of. Now, as we have got here a new word, I'm afraid of this, I'm afraid of that. For example, I'm afraid of dogs. He's afraid of heavy rain. She's afraid of. So we can just make sentences here according to our ease. Now, for example, afraid of मतलब इन्हें डर लगना. For example, I'm afraid of मुझे डर लगता है. So I'm afraid of this. I'm afraid of that. We can say like, for example, I'm afraid of dogs. I'm scared of dogs. I'm scared of huge projects. I'm afraid of heavy rain. He's afraid of economy crisis. She's afraid of financial crisis. So this is what exactly we people are going to make sentences over here with afraid of. All right. Can you please give me sentences once again?
I'm afraid of
I'm
that.
afraid of my mom and just.
Good. Next.
I'm afraid of horror movie.
Good.
I'm afraid of lizards.
Good. Afraid of lizards.
I'm afraid of lightning.
Good. Next. Make sentences once again with afraid of.
I'm
Scared
afraid of
and afraid of. Yes.
I'm afraid of my manager.
Good. Next.
My cousin is afraid of cockroach.
Good. Next.
I'm afraid of riding a car.
Driving a car.
I'm afraid of water.
I'm afraid of water.
I am
I'm
afraid
afraid
of
of losing my
torment of
dream.
hell.
Yes. Afraid of.
I'm afraid of electricity.
Correct.
I am afraid of torment
I'm
of
afraid of,
hell.
Correct. Hell torments.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, ऊंचाई के लिए जैसे I'm afraid of height means how we call?
Afraid of height.
ऊंचाई height.
ऊंचाई. Depth, I think we can say. For this one, we have a particular word for this one. Just let me show you that. For
Okay.
afraid, we have a particular word for that.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. Let me show you that how are we going to use it. We have there especially phobias. In those phobias, we can use them. For depth, I think that is what demophobia.
Sorry.
Wait a minute. Let me show you here. Phobias are there for the depth, for height. Here it is. It is what for the height. Poster, cowardice, phobias are there. Alcoholic, and for height, that's what elingophobia. Here it is. Vertigo. I'm scared of vertigo, we can say. Vertigo is actually a disease which is especially people have for height, especially. So vertigo is a disease. Or we can say I have elingophobia.
Okay.
For height especially.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Next one, please. Scared of.
I'm
I'm
scared
afraid
of
of bad
fire.
people.
Correct.
I'm scared of fire.
I'm scared of fire. Next.
He's scared of depression.
Scared of. Okay, next one is what angry with. Yesterday, I think we have finished with scared of. Now we are going to go ahead with the next one. That's what angry with. Now, when do we use angry with? Only with human beings. Angry with we are using only for human beings. For example, why are you angry with me? We have already finished this yesterday, but just make sentences once again so that we can go ahead easily. Angry with मतलब है नहीं किसी के साथ में गुस्सा होना. For example, इसके साथ में गुस्सा होना. For example, I'm angry with him. I'm angry with her. My manager is angry with me. My sister was angry with me last week, and I was angry with my colleagues. Can you please give me good sentences with here? With angry with. Angry with.
She is angry with me.
My
She's angry with.
my friend is angry with me
My friend is angry with me.
I'm angry
because
with
I'm
his
not
behavior.
attending his marriage.
One by one, please. Next.
I'm angry with your behavior.
No, that is what angry about. I'm angry about your behavior. I'm asking angry with. Angry with we are going to use for person. लोगों के लिए, इंसान लोगों के लिए use होता है angry with. I'm angry with him. I'm
I
angry
was-
with her.
I'm angry with the liar.
Correct.
I was angry with my friend.
I was angry with my friend. Next.
I am angry with government.
I'm angry with the government. Next. Yes, angry with. For
I'm
person we are
angry
going to
with
use
my
there.
sister.
I'm angry with my sister. Yes.
I am angry with doctor.
I'm angry with the doctors.
My manager were angry with me.
My manager was angry with me.
I'm angry with Talibanis.
Correct.
Teachers were angry with students.
Teachers were angry with students. Next. Angry with.
My teacher is angry with me because I'm not completed my assignment.
I haven't completed my assignment. Correct. Next.
Police
Yes.
angry with public.
Police is angry with public.
He is angry with her husband.
Correct. She's.
Sorry,
Next.
she's.
My father is angry with me.
Yes. Anything else with angry with? Anyone else with angry with?
It's
Why are you
always
angry with her?
used
Always used for people only.
people only.
Yes. Angry with somebody. For example, the staff is angry with the management.
Okay.
The public is angry with the government. People.
Hmm, hmm.
People
He is
are
angry
angry
anytime.
with the banks. So
Hmm.
bank means what? People, especially bank people. Yes.
Singular, plural, both.
Both.
Hmm.
My friends are angry with me.
Correct.
I'm angry with
I'm
rapist.
angry with bank manager.
Correct. Yes.
They will be angry with me.
They will be angry with me. Yes. Okay. Next one is what? Angry about. Angry about. For example, when you're just saying angry about, you're just using there something. Angry about something. For things we are going to use there angry about. For example, I'm angry about his. Are you angry about last night? Means what? Last night's incident. Something that happened last night. So are you angry about that? Are you angry about the nature? Are you angry about the behavior? Are you angry about the performance? Are you angry about the deal? Like this. Can you please give me some sentences? Angry about.
I'm angry about the government rule.
Correct. I'm angry about the government rule.
I'm angry about pollution.
I'm angry about pollution.
Angry about his behavior.
उसके बारे में गुस्सा है मुझे. Correct. Angry about the behavior. Yes.
I'm angry about COVID.
I'm angry about COVID.
I'm angry about politics game.
Correct.
Mhm.
Angry about.
I
Are you
am
angry about
angry
manager?
about Indian news channels.
Correct.
Angry about with the situation.
Correct.
Hmm.
Angry about.
I'm angry
त्याबद्दल
about your announcement
रागावलो तर आपण
behavior.
बोलतो ना त्याबद्दल रागावलोय म्हणजे उसके बारे में मैं थोड़ा सा गुस्सा हूँ. So angry about something.
I'm
For
angry
things we are
about
going
the
to use
lockdown.
there angry about. Yes.
Are you angry about treatment?
Are you angry about the treatment? Yes. For things we are going to use there angry about.
I'm angry about the arrangement.
Correct. I'm angry about the arrangements.
I am angry about traffic rules.
Correct. Traffic rules.
I am angry about that day.
Correct.
I am angry about the mess you have done it.
Correct.
I'm angry about CA, NRC, NPR.
Correct.
I am angry about company loss.
Are you people so angry? Only you people are so angry. Everyone is making sentences with I'm angry, I'm angry, I'm angry. Make
Are
some
you
other
angry
sentences
about my
again.
behavior?
Correct. He's angry, she's angry, they are angry, we are angry. The people are angry with angry about. You can just speak up other sentences. Everyone is making sentences only with इतना गुस्सा है भाई लोगों में. Make
They
sentences.
will be angry about this program.
Correct. Yes.
He's
He's
angry about her
your
carelessness.
master behavior.
Carelessness. Behavior. Angry about the behavior.
People angry about banking rules.
Correct. People are angry about banking rules. Angry about.
Businessman angry about
People are angry about Hitler.
Correct.
We are angry about hospital policies.
We can say that people are angry with Hitler
With Hitler.
because person.
They are
Hospital
angry
management.
about. They are angry about the test of this restaurant.
Correct.
businessman angry about GST.
Exactly.
They are
If they-
angry about exams.
Correct. They are angry about the exams. Yes, angry about. त्याबद्दल रागावलंय मी. Okay, chalo, next one. Different from and different to. Both are the same. Different from and different to. For example, Lisa is very different from her sister. And Lisa is different to her sister. Both are correct. Lisa is different from her sister. And Lisa is different to her sister. मतलब क्या है उसका? Different from उससे अलग है. त्यापेक्षा वेगळं आहे. Lisa is different from her sister. Lisa is really very different from her sister, or Lisa is different to her sister. Can you please give me good sentences with her, with this
Sir,
one?
I have a question.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, different from or different to, both are same, and
Yes,
we
both
can
are.
use somebody or some things also.
Different from something, different from somebody. Am I right?
Yes,
Are you asking this one? Different
Yes,
from
sir.
something or different from somebody, right?
yes, we can use
Yes.
both.
For both we are going to
Okay.
use it.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
For example, this bottle is different from the other bottles. So for things, I'm using it. And here they have used for the person, sister. Yes or no? So for person and for things, we can use for both of them. Different from, different to.
iPhone
example-
is different from Samsung.
Correct. iPhone is different from Samsung.
They are twins,
Zoom.
but their behavior different from each other.
Correct.
They are different from us.
I'm
Yes,
different from my
the
friend.
system is quite different from the previous one. They are different from.
You are
Yes.
quite different to other teachers.
Correct. Different from, different to. Yes, Miss Supriya, speak up. Different from. Miss Zainab, speak up.
I'm
Indian
different from my
government.
brother.
Correct. I'm different from my brother.
Indian government was different from Pakistan government.
Correct.
I
Next.
bought these two dresses in same prices, but their quality is different from each other.
Correct. Different from each other. Next.
Airbus is different from Boeing.
Correct.
Every person is different from the other.
Correct. Different to and different from.
Azam campus different from Pune College.
Correct.
Our suggestions are different from each other.
Correct. Every person's opinion is different from the other. Yes.
Her dreams are different to other dreams.
Correct. Her dreams are different to others. Everyone's
This
thoughts are
trouser-
different to others.
This trouser is different from other trousers.
Correct. These trousers are different from the others. Yes.
The aroma is different from the other perfumes.
Correct.
He is playing different from others.
Correct. Different from.
Every state rules are different.
Correct.
Hmm.
From.
Peter England is different to Ramon.
Correct. Raymond. That's what Raymond.
Raymond.
Yes.
She is teaching different from other teachers.
Correct. Correct. She's teaching from the other teachers. She's teaching different from the other teachers. Next. Our regulations of schools are different from the other schools. Yes.
Yeah. The marking system is different for other subjects.
Correct. The system is completely different to other systems.
Hmm.
All right. Different from, different to. Same. Next, fed up with. What do you mean by fed up?
थक गए
परेशान हो जाना.
Correct. मैं थक गया हूँ. परेशान हो गया हूँ. मैं थक गया हूँ. मैं परेशान हो गया हूँ. I'm fed up. For example, I'm fed up with my job. मैं मेरे काम से थक गया हूँ. I'm fed up with my job. I want to do something different. Means what? I have had enough of my job. Means what? अब बहुत हो गया मेरे job का. अब मैं थक गया हूँ. So we can just use it for person and for things. Both of them. For person, for things. For both of them, we can use this. I'm fed up. I'm fed up with this lockdown. We are fed up with Corona.
I'm fed up with my bike.
I'm fed up with my bike. It's not working well now. Yeah. Fed up with. अब देखो यहाँ पर ये बोल रहा है. I'm fed up with my
I'm-
job.
I'm
Yes.
fed up with Pune traffic.
Pune's traffic. I'm fed up with Pune's traffic.
I'm fed up with online
I'm fed up.
classes.
I'm fed up with online classes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
I am fed up with studies.
What are you? Next.
I'm fed up with government's rule.
I'm fed up with government rules.
I'm fed up with my mobile.
One more thing is there. I'm fed up of, we can say. I'm fed up this. Also we can say fed up with and fed up of. Next.
I'm fed up of that people.
Correct. I'm fed up
with
of
my-
those people.
I'm fed up with
I'm fed up
I'm-
with
I'm fed with
situations.
I'm fed up with garbage
Fed
in
up.
Kundla.
Correct. I'm
I'm
fed up with the
of with
garbage.
giving interviews again and again.
I'm fed up with the interviews.
Hmm.
Okay. Make sentences with you, we, they, he, she, it. खुद के ऊपर sentence मत बनाओ बस.
We are fed up with vaccinated.
We are fed up with the vaccination.
Yeah.
Yes.
She's fed up with rotten apples.
She's fed up with the rotten
He's
apples.
fed up of with his office work.
He's fed up with his office work.
They are fed up with work from home.
They're fed up with the work from home.
Students are fed up with the examination pattern.
Correct. Yes.
He's fed
My
up
mom
with
is fed up
riding.
with my sister behavior.
He's fed up with riding. I'm fed up with my sister's behavior.
we are fed up with cost cutting.
Very nice. You're fed up with the cost cutting. Yes.
We are fed up with increased petrol rate.
We are fed up with the increasing petrol rates. बस हो गया अभी थक गया हूँ मैं उसके साथ में. I'm fed up with.
We are fed up of we are fed up of rain climate. This means the today's climate or like this.
Correct. I'm fed up of the weather.
Weather. Okay.
I'm fed up of the weather. Anyone else with fed up?
India is fed up with
I'm-
Narendra Modi.
Okay. Don't make any sentences, something like political. Please don't make political sentences. Don't make any religious and political sentences. Yes.
I want to
He's
fed up with
fed
my
I'm
up with
fed
girlfriend.
the
Now
plain
I
with
want to marry with her.
Very nice.
Thank you.
I'm fed up with her father. Now I want to marry her. Don't say marry with her. Marry her.
But
We
teacher is
cannot
fed
say
up
marry
of rainy
with
season.
her.
No, we can't say marry with her. We can say directly marry her.
Okay.
Now let me please check. Oh, please have a look here, all of you. If I say marry with her, it is what? Translated sentence, which is absolutely wrong. For example, just let me share with you here. All of you, please pay attention. As we are using here, I am marrying. People are making this sentence, right? I'm marrying with her. This sentence is absolutely wrong. See, it is giving underline there. But here, in our local English, people are making sentences, but they are absolutely wrong, because marrying with her मतलब नहीं मैं मेरे सहेली के साथ में जाके किसी और तीसरी से शादी करूंगा, ऐसा मतलब हो जाता है उसका. उसके साथ में जाऊंगा और किसी दूसरे से शादी करूंगा. So marrying with her is wrong. We must say marry her. See, I am marrying her. That's it. With her नहीं लगाना चाहिए. हमारे इधर एडवांस में with लगाते हैं, जो कि गलत है. It is absolutely wrong. With का मतलब होता है साथ में, मतलब उसके साथ में जाऊंगा और किसी तीसरी से शादी करूंगा, ऐसा मतलब हो जाएगा उसका. I'm going to marry with her. It is wrong. We must say I'm going to marry her. Same case. I am making fool. हमारे इधर सेंटेंस बनाते हैं, which is absolutely wrong. See, it is giving wrong. हमारे यहाँ पे लोग ट्रांसलेट करते हैं, उसने मेरा फूल बनाया, मैं उसको पागल बना रहा हूँ. तो बनाना मतलब यानी मेकिंग. So I am making fool. Wrong. ये सेंटेंस ही गलत है. We are using make for making some kind of dish
Ingredients.
for the ingredients we are going to use here. अब कोई ingredients अगर रहेंगे तो हम लोग वहां पर यूज करेंगे make. Ingredients का मतलब क्या होता है? जरूरी अशिया. For example, for making tea, you have some ingredients. What are those? That's what sugar,
Tea powder.
milk, and tea powder. So these are what? The ingredients. Then only we can make tea. Correct? Now, पागल बनाने के लिए कौन से ingredients लगते हैं? लगते हैं क्या? चाय पत्ती वगैरह लगती है पागल बनाने? हल्दी मिर्ची वगैरह? No. So the sentence is absolutely wrong. We must say that I'm fooling. Instead of saying I'm making fool, we must say I am making fool. ये गलत हो जाएगा. I am fooling. मैं पागल बना रहा हूँ. I'm fooling him. I'm fooling her. I'm fooling him. I'm fooling her. So ultimately we can say I'm fooling. Don't use the word make. लोग translate करते हैं, which is absolutely wrong. गलत हो जाएगा.
So
Okay,
people are saying making fun of the other. So making fun.
Yeah, that is correct. Make fun of someone. That's what make fun. Now, one more thing is there. Now we are using make for activities. Another thing is what? That we are going to use their make for activities. Activity means what? The state of mind. For example, the things which are intangible and invisible, we call them state of mind. For example, like love. Love is state of mind. We can't see love. We can't touch love. For example, planning. We can't see planning by our eyes. We can't touch planning. For example, meeting. We can't see meeting. We can't touch meeting. Am I right? Same case, depression. Can we see depression by our eyes?
No.
Can we
No,
see
sir.
happiness by our eyes? Can we touch happiness? So
No.
these are the kinds of activities. These are the kinds of activities. These are the words of activities. Same case, we're using make for some kind of activities sometimes. For example, the children are making a noise. Make a noise. It is an activity. The children are making a noise. It's an activity. अब noise जो है, can we see noise by our eyes? Can we touch
No.
noise by our eyes? No.
No.
But we
No.
can use their make for activities. Now let me share with you here. What exactly do I want to say? For making, we have a rule simply in this book. As you can see here, make, we are using for different things. Do, go, have, do, make. Now we are going to use their make for some kind of activities. For example, I made a mistake. We can say like this. It is absolutely correct. I make a mistake. Now I have to make homework. It is wrong. We must say I do homework, not make homework. Next, I have to make an exam. No, I have to take an exam. Another thing is there in India. Another thing is there. Pay attention. हमारे यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं? Translation करते हैं. मैं एग्जाम लेने जा रहा हूँ. मैं एग्जाम देने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to give an exam. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना? गलत. इंग्लिश में उल्टा होता है वो. Going to give an exam नहीं होता है. अगर आप लोग एग्जाम देने के लिए जा रहे हैं, so you're going to say there, I'm going to take an exam. I'm going to take an exam or I'm going to do an exam. Take an exam and do an exam. वहाँ पे give an exam आता ही नहीं है. हमारे यहाँ पे ट्रांसलेशन मारते हुए बातें अलग है. But this is a British book. अब ब्रिटिश लोग, अंग्रेज लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, हम लोग को उसके ऊपर जाना चाहिए. So they say I want to take an exam, not give an exam. Same case, I made a mistake. बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. Make an appointment. Activity. Appointment दिखता है क्या? Can we see appointment?
No,
Appointment को टच कर सकते हैं क्या हम लोग?
sir. No.
So here we cannot use take an appointment. We have to say make an appointment.
Yes, especially. We say make an appointment. Rather than saying take an appointment, we can say make an appointment. For example, I make my bed. Bed is what? An activity. Yes or no? बिस्तर activity है ना?
Yes.
Yes.
अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारा आरिफ जो है वो पोते पे सोता है, तो पोते का क्या हो गया? वो आरिफ का बिस्तर हो गया वो. Yes or no? हमारा जय जो है स्टेशन पे सोता है तालपत्री पे, वो क्या हो गया? उसका बिस्तर हो गया. नींद आनी चाहिए जगह पे बस. That's what बिस्तर. तो बिस्तर का मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि नरम नरम गद्दे होना चाहिए. बिस्तर क्या कुछ भी हो सकता है. नींद आज जिसके ऊपर आती है उसको बिस्तर बोलेंगे इंग्लिश में. So simple. I make my bed. Bed is also an activity. For that we are going to use the make. Appointment is an activity. We are going to use the make. Mistake is an activity. अब mistake जो है आंखों से दिखती है क्या हमारे? टच कर सकते हैं हम लोग मिस्टेक को. Oh my God, क्या गरम मिस्टेक है. Shit. Can we say like this? No.
No, sir.
So ultimately for mistake also we are going to use the make. ऐसा मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, अंग्रेज लोग बोल रहे हैं. For example, I'd like to make a photo. ये गलत हो जाएगा sentence. We must say I'd like to take a photo. Next one. After
Sir, I
dinner,
heard
I help my
make a
mother
call.
to make dishes. गलत. Yes sir. Make a call. Correct. Let me make a call. बोलते हैं. बिल्कुल सही है वो. Can I make a call from your cell? So can I make a call? So call, make a call. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, क्या मैं कॉल मिला सकता हूँ? बोलने का तरीका ट्रांसलेट नहीं कर सकते पहली बात तो उसको. So can I make a call? So we can use there for activity. Call भी क्या activity है ना? So can I make a call? We can say for some kind of activities we are going to use the make. वहाँ पे make चलता है. So same case fun. Fun दिखता है क्या आंखों से? Can we
No,
touch
sir.
fun?
No.
Ultimately no. So ultimately we can use there for fun. We can use their make. He was making fun of me. मेरा मजाक बढ़ा रहे थे उन लोग. तो मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे थे. So they were making fun of me. So I'm going to take an exam, make fun. So make a plan. सुना रहेगा आप लोगों ने, बोलते कि नहीं? Make a plan. Make a plan बोलते कि नहीं? So plan
Yes.
बनाओ means what? Plan is an activity. Are you getting the points? So make a noise, activity. Any questions to anyone? Fed up with. Next one is what? Full of. Let's complete this sooner. Full of मतलब यानी पूरा भरा हुआ. Full of. For example, the room was full of people. बहुत easy है, बचपन से यूज करते आ रहे हैं हम लोग इसको. Can you please give me some sentences with full of?
I am full of
Class
with.
is full of
I'm full of.
students.
The phone is full of charging.
I am full of with happy.
I'm full of happiness. खुशियों
My
से भरा हुआ
mobile-
हूँ मैं.
My
My
mobile
sister is
battery
full of confidence.
Full of confidence.
my mobile
Full of
memory is full of.
fresh air.
Full of messages.
Full of fresh air.
Correct. Full of fresh air.
The dam is full of water.
The dam is full of water. My phone is full of
Memory.
memory. No, my phone is full of photos. Photos से भरी हुई है.
He
My
is full
phone
of
is full of data.
positive
This
energy.
book is full of
Correct.
the book
Full of
thoughts.
energy. Yes. Yes, full of.
Cinema hall full of people.
Correct. The cinema hall is full of people.
I have full of ideas.
I am full of ideas. I am
The book
full
is
of
full
ideas.
of knowledge.
Full of knowledge.
This room is
cup
full
is-
of lawyers.
The
The cup is full of tea.
correct.
Garden is full of plant.
Full of plants. Next.
In Pune full of COVID patients.
Pune is full of COVID patients. पुणे कोविड पेशेंट से भरा हुआ है. ऐसा मत बोलो यार, हम भी रहते थे. Yes, full of.
The city is
The
full
mall
of
is
traffic.
full of people.
Full of,
Full of people.
full of noise.
Correct.
Goa
The
is
place
full
is
of
full of
tourists.
noise. Full of
They are
tourists.
they are doing this work with full of confidence.
Correct. चलो आता अपने को full of. It is really very easy. Next one is what? Good at. Good at मतलब यानी कोई चीज के ऊपर हम लोग we are very confident about the thing, or we are very professional at something, so we can use their good at. Or we are very expert at something, we are going to use their good at. For example, are you good at maths? क्या आप मैथ्स में बहुत अच्छे हैं? Are you good at maths? ट्रांसलेशन करना नहीं, क्या आप मैथ्स के ऊपर बहुत अच्छे हैं? ट्रांसलेशन नहीं चलता है इंग्लिश में, कोई भी लैंग्वेज में नहीं चलता है. So do not translate it. So are you good at maths means what? क्या आप मैथ्स में अच्छे हैं? तो हमारे यहाँ पे ट्रांसलेशन ऐसे करते हैं, Are you good in maths?
Yeah.
सुना रहेगा आप लोगों ने, जो कि
Yes.
गलत है. Are you good in maths? लोग बोलते हैं, जो कि गलत है. We must say, Are you good at maths? For example, I'm very good at driving. He's very good at teaching. She's very good at handling. He's very good at managing. We are very good at, and Mustaqim is very good at marketing. Arif is very good at fooling. पेड़ा बनाने में बहुत expert है वो. Yes, good at. I'm very bad at smoking.
Good at painting.
She's very good at painting.
He is good at
I'm good
managing.
at traveling.
Correct. He's good at managing. I'm good at traveling.
I am good at studying.
Good at cooking.
ऐसे भी झूठ बात कर सकते हैं आप लोग. I'm good at studying. Yes.
He is very
She
good
is good
at dance.
Piano.
Mehendi.
Yeah. Privet designing. That's what privet.
Prevent.
Yeah. मेहंदी को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे? Pre-wet.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, she's very good at
She's
privet
good at
designing.
speaking.
Making privet भी बोल सकते हैं. Privet making भी बोल सकते हैं उसको.
Good at dancing.
Good at dancing.
I'm good
I'm
at playing
good at
football.
swimming.
Good at playing football. Next.
I'm good at drawing.
Good at drawing.
He is
I'm
very
good
good at in
cooking.
cooking.
Good at cooking.
I am good at communication.
I'm good at communication. Oh, I'm very bad at
I want
dealing. Yes,
to be good at communication.
I want to be good at communication.
Good at reading.
Good at building.
Reading.
Reading.
Read.
Miss Mahek makes sentences. Miss Sana makes sentences. Jai makes sentences. Jai say
I'm
something. I'm good at drinking. I'm good at smoking. I'm good at drugging. Say something.
Good at sleep.
I'm
Yeah,
good
she's
at
very good
swimming.
at sleeping. Oh, I'm good at swimming.
They are
Asma?
very good in fooling.
They are very good at pulling.
I'm good at playing.
I'm good at playing.
She's good at making designer
He is
dresses.
good at lying.
Correct. Good at lying. Ah, he's very good at lying. झूठे बातें करने में बहुत expert है वो. He's good at lying. They are very good at fighting. झगड़े करने में बहुत expert है वो लोग. They are very good at fighting. Yes.
She's good at his professional life.
Correct.
Are
By the
you
way,
good at climbing?
are you good at climbing? Oh, ध्यान दो जरा.
He is
सब सेंटेंस तो बड़े मजे से बना रहे हैं. Please ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. Have a look here. ध्यान दीजिए. Everyone is making sentences. For example, I'm good at fighting. I'm good at playing. Sentence बना रहे हैं ना आप लोग अभी. I'm good at swimming. I'm good at bargaining. I'm good at dealing. सबने यही सेंटेंस बनाया ना अभी,
Verb के साथ.
है ना, जो कि वर्ब नहीं है. ये वर्ब नहीं है. ये क्या है, ये आप लोग मुझे कल इसका आंसर ला कर देंगे. ING लग रहा है, और यहाँ पे टीचर्स बोलते हैं ऐसा कि जो चीज के अंदर ING लगता है उसको वर्ब बोलते हैं. बोलते ना. ध्यान दो रे, ध्यान दो प्लीज, ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज हैव अ लुक
Yes,
हियर.
sir.
इफ यू सी देयर, भाइयों और हम सबकी बहनों, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. अगर आप लोग देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर वर्ब के अंदर लगता है, वर्ब मीन्स व्हाट, एक्शन. पहली बात तो क्या है, पूरा इलैबोरेट कर रहा हूँ, डिटेल में ध्यान दीजिए. वर्ब मीन्स व्हाट, एक्शन, जिसको आप लोग बोलते हैं उर्दू में फेल, मराठी में बोलते हैं उसको क्रिया, है कि नहीं, प्रिया की बहन. वो जो है एक्शन होता है, वो एक्शन के अंदर लगता है आईएनजी. वहां से पता चलता है कि बाबा ये वर्ब है. जो भी वर्ड है जिसके अंदर आईएनजी लगता है, समझो वो वर्ब है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गो, गोइंग, प्ले, प्लेइंग, कम, कमिंग, गिव, गिविंग, सिट, सिटिंग, कमांड, कमांडिंग, commence, commencing, admire, admiring, blame, blaming, adore, adoring. So जो भी word है जिसके अंदर ing लगता है, so come, coming. जिसके अंदर ing लगता है उसको क्या बोलेंगे मिस आसमा? verb बोलते हैं इसको. समझा? इसको बोलते
Yes,
हैं
sir.
verb. Second thing, अब इंग्लिश के अंदर एक रूल है, जैसे दिसतं तसं नसतं. इंग्लिश में एक रूल है, जैसा दिखता वैसा रहता नहीं. वैसा बिल्कुल नहीं रहता. कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं जो कि आईएनजी के साथ में एंड होते पर वो वर्ब्स रहते नहीं. वो इंग्लिश के अंदर बहुत सर्कस है सब चीजों का. ग्रामर बोलते हैं इसको. इफ यू सी देयर, जो मैंने अभी हाईलाइट किया हूँ, ये सब अंडरलाइन, सॉरी ब्लू लाइन से किया हूँ मैंने आईएनजी, उसकी वजह ये है कि जितने भी वर्ब्स हैं, जनरली टीचर्स बोलते हैं जो भी वर्ड्स हैं आईएनजी के साथ में एंड होते हैं उनको वर्ब बोलते हैं. बट कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स रहते हैं जो कि आईएनजी के साथ में एंड होते हैं बट वो वर्ब नहीं रहते, वो रहते बल्कि नाउन. बट नाउन के अंदर तो कभी आईएनजी लगता नहीं है. नाउन क्या होता है, ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज. नाउन मीन्स व्हाट, नेम. नेम ऑफ व्हाट, नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन, नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस, नेम ऑफ एन एनिमल, नेम ऑफ अ थिंग और नेम ऑफ एन आइडिया. एम आई राइट? इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग क्या, नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैटेगरी के अंदर वापस मैं एग्जाम्पल दे देता हूँ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अंकल, बॉय, टीचर, कौन सी कैटेगरी में जाएगा ये?
Person.
पर्सन वाली
Person.
कैटेगरी में जाएगा. यस नो? अंकल, बॉय, टीचर, प्रेसिडेंट, सब पर्सन वाली कैटेगरी में जाएगा. नेक्स्ट वन, मार्केट, बैंक, रेस्टोरेंट, पोस्ट ऑफिस, ये प्लेस के उसमें जाएगा. स्टेशन, एयरपोर्ट, किस किस में जाएगा ये प्लेस वाली कैटेगरी में जाएगा.
Place.
करेक्ट, गुड. ये खाली मैं सेम कलर का इसके लिए डाल रहा हूँ ताकि आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा. सो मार्केट, प्लेस, पोस्ट ऑफिस, एयरपोर्ट, स्टेशन, स्कूल, कॉलेज, क्लास, ये सब क्या है, प्लेस वाली कैटेगरी में जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टाइगर, डॉग, कैटरपिलर, स्नेक, पिकॉक, मंकी, लेपर्ड, चीता, ये सब कौन सी कैटेगरी में जाएगा?
Animal.
एनिमल वाली कैटेगरी में जाएगा. करेक्ट. मैं क्यों इलेबरेट कर रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ बताने वाला हूँ अभी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल थिंग, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कीबोर्ड, चीज है ना, कीबोर्ड, माउस, स्क्रीन,
Mobile.
बॉटल, ये सब कौन सी कैटेगरी में जाएगा बेटे?
Thing.
जय, हाँ, ये कौन सी कैटेगरी में
Things,
जाएगा? एब्सोल्युटली थिंग की कैटेगरी में जाएगा वो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कीबोर्ड, माउस, मोबाइल, बॉक्स, वॉल, चेयर, बॉटल, ये सब नो, ये सब थिंग की कैटेगरी में जाएगा. एंड लव की कैटेगरी में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आइडिया की कैटेगरी में क्या आएगा? आइडिया वाली कैटेगरी में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हैप्पीनेस, ये भी नाउन है.
Sad.
ये नो, हेट, नफरत, ये भी नाउन है. सो ये सब जाएगा कौन सी वाली कैटेगरी में? आइडिया वाली कैटेगरी में. प्लानिंग, प्लानिंग जो भी मैंने बताया ना अभी आप लोग को, आइडियाज बहुत सारे रहते हैं. सो नाउ, कभी नाउन के अंदर आईएनजी लगा के देखा है? कैन वी यूज आईएनजी इन नाउन? नाउन में आईएनजी कभी नहीं लगता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अंकल, अंकलिंग होता है क्या?
No,
No.
sir.
मार्केट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मार्केट नहीं, मैं सूर्या पे दूसरा लेता हूँ प्लेस में. क्लास, क्लास क्लासिंग होता है क्या? नो.
No.
Yes, sir.
टाइगर, टाइगरिंग.
No.
कीबोर्ड, कीबोर्डिंग.
No, sir.
हैप्पीनेस, हैप्पीनेसिंग.
No.
No.
हेट, हेटिंग.
No, sir.
नहीं होता. अगर कोई बना रहा है तो गलत बना रहा है, वो नहीं होता. हेट, हेटिंग भी नहीं होता है. नाउन के अंदर आईएनजी नहीं लगता है, बट मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये नाउन है. इसका आंसर मुझे चाहिए कल. एक्सप्लेन मैंने इसलिए किया ताकि आप लोगों को समझ में आए कि क्या मैं चाहता क्या हूँ आप लोगों से. आई वॉन्ट द आंसर दैट आई एम गुड एट फाइटिंग. यहाँ पर फाइटिंग जो है वो वर्ब नहीं है, वो नाउन है. मैं यहाँ पर लिख दे रहा हूँ आपके सामने बड़े में, वहां पर नाउन है. क्यों नाउन है, कौन सा नाउन है, मुझे कल इसका आंसर चाहिए. इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? समझा?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
कौन सा नाउन है? आपकी निगाह में जो सबसे टॉप इंग्लिश बोलता रहेगा ना, वो बंदे को जाके पकड़ो, उसको पूछो कि ये क्या है ये नाटक. एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ मैं आप लोगों को. फॉर एग्जांपल आप लोगों ने बोर्ड्स देखे रहेंगे. Parking is prohibited. Correct? वहां पे
Yes.
पार्किंग जो है वो वर्ब नहीं है, वो क्या है? नाउन है. पार्किंग जो है वो भी नाउन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लोगों ने सब बोर्ड्स देखे हैं बाहर लगे हुए. स्मोकिंग इज
Injurious to health.
टू हेल्थ. देखा ना?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
वहां पे स्मोकिंग जो है वो भी नाउन है, वो भी वर्ब नहीं है. इसी को बोलते हैं गेम ऑफ ग्रामर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल साइक्लिंग इज गुड फॉर. साइकिल अच्छी हो,
Health.
हेल्थ के अलावा और किसके लिए अच्छी हो? और कुछ है क्या साइक्लिंग का नाटक?
Exercise.
ओके, साइक्लिंग इज गुड फॉर एक्सरसाइज. ओके, क्योंकि हेल्थ मजा नहीं आ रही थी, सेम बना रहे इसलिए यहाँ पर साइक्लिंग भी जो है वो भी वर्ब नहीं है. ये सब डाउन है. क्यों, क्या, कब, कैसे देखेंगे हम लोग कल के एपिसोड में. आते रहिए शाम 7:45 स्टार प्लस पे देखेंगे. कल आप लोग इसका आंसर लेकर आना है. आपकी निगाह में जो सबसे टॉप इंग्लिश बोलता है उसको जाके पूछो कि ऐसा काहे को. ये वर्ब नहीं है, नाउन है. आईएनजी के साथ में एंड हो रहे हैं पर वो वर्ब नहीं है, नाउन है वो. ओके, समझो. चलो नेक्स्ट, बिना टाइम पास के हम लोग इसको फिनिश करते हैं आज जल्दी से जल्दी. नाउ ये तो हम लोग को आता ही है, गुड एट्स. नेक्स्ट वन, इंटरेस्टेड इन. बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं हम लोग. मुझे इंटरेस्ट है. यस मैम.
So,
Yes, sir.
means if he's telling he is good at fighting. So fighting means jhagdalu. A person, if we want to describe a person, so how we can describe it? Means jhagdalu person, like
We can say he is very hostile.
hostile. Okay.
Yes, a particular word is there. He is very hostile, we can say.
Thank you, sir.
Hostile, a person who is always ready to fight. Okay, make sentences with interested in. For example, I'm not interested in sports. Can you please give me good sentences with interested in? And please
I'm
don't make
interested.
sentences with के साथ में मत बनाओ.
We are interested in speaking in English.
Very good.
Interesting in shopping.
Good.
They are interested in doing good job for society.
Yes. Yes.
They're interested
I'm
in
not
traveling.
interested.
They are interested in party.
Correct.
We are interested in traveling.
He is interested in. She is interested in.
He's interested in paragliding.
Correct.
I'm interested in painting.
Correct.
He is interested in calligraphy.
Correct.
She is interested in
cooking.
Are you interested in dancing?
Yes.
She is interested in doing job.
Good.
He is interested in riding a bike.
Interested in riding bikes. Next, interested in. Anyone else with interested in?
My brother is interested in cricket.
Correct. Most of the people are interested in cricket in India. We are interested in these things. We are interested in.
She is
cocktail
interested in sketching.
Correct.
I'm
Next.
interested in playing musical instruments.
Very good. Next.
A friend interested.
They are interested in reading.
Correct. Interested in reading. Next.
Mexico is interested in football.
Correct.
He's interested in cars.
Correct.
I'm interested in swimming.
Correct. It is really very quite easy. Now let's go for the next one. That's what married to. Now what do you mean by married to? उससे शादी किया. ये वो वाला शादी नहीं है. सच्ची का शादी की बात नहीं हो रही यहाँ पर. Sue is married to a dentist. ये सच्ची वाली शादी के बारे में बात कर रही है, पर हम लोग इसके ऊपर साथ में सेंटेंस नहीं बनाएंगे क्योंकि अपने को बचपन से आता है. Sue is married to a dentist means what? Her husband is a dentist. It is a normal thing. Correct? Another meaning of married to means what? Being fond of. थोड़ा हाई लेवल के इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं कोई चीज का बहुत ज्यादा क्रेज होना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम मैरिड टू इंग्लिश. मैंने इंग्लिश से शादी कर लिया हूँ. अब इंग्लिश कोई औरत तो है नहीं, बट बोलने का तरीका क्या है? मीन्स व्हाट? आई एम क्वाइट फोन्ड ऑफ इंग्लिश. उसके बिना जिंदगी है ही नहीं अपनी, ऐसा. समझ में आ रहा है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अवर आरिफ इज मैरिड टू ड्रग्स. हमारा आरिफ जो है, उसको जब तक कि पूड़ी नहीं मिली, विमल नहीं मिली, तो उसे काम नहीं चलता. जय इज मैरिड टू सिगरेट. बिना सिगरेट के काम नहीं बनता जय का, है ना जय?
नो सर,
हाँ हाँ.
बीड़ी से भी काम चलेगा.
ओ हो. अरे यू टर्कीज बड़े बीड़ी से काम चलेगा. चलो. Yes, married to. I want you people to make sentences with this. For example, she's married to Rangoli. Rangoli के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है उसको. For example, women are married to dramas. बहुत ड्रामा सीरियल देखती क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी.
I'm
ऐसा
married
मैंने
to
नहीं बोला.
myself, making independent.
Oh ho. Next.
He's married to write.
Correct. He's married to riding.
I'm married
He's
to my
married-
job.
I'm married to my job.
Sir,
Never
if
marry a
a,
job, huh? Yes,
sir,
ma'am.
if a person is a workaholic, so we can say if he is married to work.
Correct. He's married to work. See, he's saying that. Jay is saying, I'm married to my work.
He's married to alcohol.
Ah, क्या बात
They
है.
are married to their honesty.
Ah, very nice. They are married to honesty. जैसे कि मैं
She's-
बहुत ज्यादा ईमानदार हूँ. Yes.
She's married to Instagram.
She is married to. हाँ, very good. घेमड़ी पूरे दिन बोले उस पे पड़ी रहती है. She is married to Instagram. Very nice.
I'm married to books.
हाँ, ये ऐसे झूठबाजी भी करो. ये बात याद नहीं जैसा. I'm married to books बोले. I'm married to books.
I'm married to sports.
I'm married to sports.
I'm married to my
I'm
bike.
married to
I'm
traveling.
married to my bike. Oh, I'm married to traveling.
He's married to his phone.
Correct.
I'm married to marketing.
I'm married to marketing. Marketing बोले तो अरे मेरी जिंदगी यार. Yes,
I'm married to music.
correct. Please don't make sentences with He's married to. She's married to.
We married to
We married to.
beer.
Oh, अरे. Yes. Anyone else?
Are you married to pizza?
Are you married to pizza? हाँ हाँ. बोल सकते हैं.
I'm married.
They are married to searching new things.
Correct. Yes, married to. Okay, your 4 bhabis are married to me. Next, nice to somebody, kind of somebody. Nice to somebody, kind to somebody, or nice of somebody and kind of somebody. For example, it was very kind of you to help us. आपकी बहुत बहुत मेहरबानी. It was very kind of you to help us. Thank you so much. Okay. Next, be nice to somebody, be kind to somebody. For example, David is very friendly. He's always nice to me. He's always nice to me. Can you please make sentences? ये ज़्यादा use नहीं होता है. Kind of or nice of. It's very nice of you. That's very kind of you. आपकी मेहरबानी बहुत अच्छी बात है. So kind to and nice to. Can you please make sentences with kind to and nice to? Kind to and nice to.
She is nice to old persons.
Correct. She's nice to old person. बुड्ढे लोग
My
से जरा
friend
ज्यादा
is
लगाव
nice
है.
to
ऐसा
animals.
बोल सकते हैं. Yes.
My
Indian
friend is
people
nice
are
to
kind of.
animals.
Indian people are nice to.
You are very
Indian
kind.
people are kind of.
Indian people are very kind to others.
Indian people are very kind to others.
My mom is
दूसरा.
very kind of to help others.
Correct. My
Yeah.
mom is very kind of to help others. Yes.
You are very kind of person.
You are a very kind of person. Yes. You are very kind to others.
My friend is very kind to show me paper.
Good. Very nice.
That's very kind of you to call me.
Correct. For example, my brother is always nice to others. She's very
My
kind to
friend
people.
meets everyone friendly. She is very nice to everyone.
Correct. He's very nice to everyone.
So kind
Yes.
of
Kind of का actually translation नहीं कर सकते हम लोग. Translation नहीं होता है उसका. For example, it was very kind of you. आपकी बहुत बहुत मेहरबानी. आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, वैसा आएगा वो. आपकी बहुत बहुत मेहरबानी कि आपने मुझे मदद की. It was very kind of you. Translation नहीं कर सकते हम लोग उसका.
Thank you for your kind words.
हाँ बोल सकते हैं. Thank you for your kind words. But मुझे अब कुछ ऐसा चाहिए. Kind of या फिर kind to. I'm really kind to have your acquaintance.
हाँ.
बहुत ही मुझे अच्छा लगा आपका acquaintance, आपका साथ मिला. So I'm very kind to have your acquaintance. Yes, continue. Our parents are very kind to others. बड़े मेहरबान होते हैं दूसरों पर. Kind to
She is
others.
talking to me very rudely. She is not a
She's not kind to me.
kind of.
She's not so kind of her.
Always kind of with animals.
Correct. You should be kind of yours with the animals. You should be very kind to the animals. दोनों भी सही है. Yes.
He's
Kind
kind of neighbors.
He's very kind to the neighbors. बहुत अच्छा है neighbors लोगों के साथ में. मेहरबान है. He's kind to the neighbors.
she's kind of elders.
She's kind of elders. She's kind to the elders of name. तू आएगा वहाँ पर.
He is very nice to everyone.
He's very nice to everyone. ज़्यादा use में आता नहीं है, but still you should know. Next one is what? Sorry about something. Sorry about something. और sorry for something. दोनों भी same है. Sorry about something, sorry for something. किसी चीज के लिए sorry और किसी के बारे में sorry. For example, I'm afraid I can't help you. I'm sorry about that. उसके लिए मैं माफी चाहता हूँ. I'm sorry about that. Next, I'm sorry for not phoning you yesterday. और I'm sorry about not phoning you yesterday. दोनों भी same है. So I'm sorry about and sorry for. Sorry about and sorry for. Can you please give me good sentences with sorry about, sorry for? I'm sorry for my behavior. I'm sorry about my behavior. दोनों भी correct है. I'm sorry about that day. I'm sorry about this day. Can you please give me sentences with sorry about, sorry to? Sorry about, sorry for. I'm sorry for
I'm
asking such kind of questions over here. Yes,
I'm sorry about yesterday's absence.
correct.
I'm
Sorry for, sorry about.
I'm sorry, I
I'm
didn't.
sorry for not attending the lecture.
Correct.
He is sorry about his guilt.
Very good.
I'm sorry about,
I'm sorry
I'm
about
not
shouting at you.
on time.
Correct.
I'm sorry about I didn't attend your call.
Correct.
I'm sorry for coming late.
Correct.
They are sorry about because they are not came at the party.
Correct.
I'm sorry
I'm
for
sorry for
blaming you.
Correct. Sorry about,
She's-
sorry for.
She is sorry for his furious behavior.
Correct.
Sorry for delay reporting.
Very good.
I'm sorry about not replying you.
Good.
sorry about not playing well.
Good.
Sorry for not completing the work.
Correct.
He's sorry for betraying.
He's sorry for betraying. Next.
I'm
My
sorry for
sister
my
is sorry for
communication is
because
poor.
she didn't.
I'm sorry
receive
for?
call.
My communication is poor.
Don't say like this ever.
I'm sorry about to
You are
say.
improving and you are going to keep on improving. Yes, next. Sorry for, sorry about.
My sister is sorry for because she did not receive the call.
Correct. Yes, sorry about, sorry for.
I'm sorry about disturbing you.
I'm sorry for disturbing you,
Hmm.
not about.
I'm sorry for not replying.
I'm sorry for not replying on time.
She's sorry for.
Sir, when to be used?
Pardon?
About.
Pardon. When to use for, when to use about, right?
Uh-huh.
See, For means what? When we are going to use there for? Sorry for some kind of incidents. And
Incident.
sorry, yeah, and sorry about some kind of incidents. Means what? For example, sorry about something or sorry for something. The context will match a lot again. For example, I'm sorry for coming late. I'm
Okay.
sorry for my behavior. No, I'm sorry for coming late. I'm sorry for not playing. So especially for the verbs, we are going to use their sorry for. And about, we are going to use there for something means what? We are going to use there for noun. For example, I'm sorry about the party. I'm sorry about the behavior. I'm sorry about the performance. So for nouns, we are going to use the sorry about.
Okay. Okay.
For
Thank
example,
you.
angry about something. So we are going to use it sorry for something like this for nouns. Yes.
Take-
Anyone else
Thank-
with sorry about, sorry for?
I'm sorry for delay service.
I'm sorry for not attending your marriage.
Ah, very nice. Yes. Any doubts to anyone?
I'm
No, sir.
sorry for not achieving my target.
Correct. I'm sorry for not achieving the target. Okay. I'm sorry about this, that we are going to finish this chapter over here. All right. So from tomorrow, I'm going to start a new chapter. Please, nobody will be absent. Okay. And if you have any
Okay,
questions
sir.
regarding this as well, you can ask me. Any
Sir,
doubts?